Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to record your iPhone screen using Apple's native screen recording app. Now for this you'll need at least iOS 11. If you don't have iOS 11 and you have something earlier than that, there is an alternative. I actually have a video on that, I'll post a card above. So first up we're going to add the record button to our control center so that when you swipe up from the bottom of your screen you'll have that record button. So head on over into settings. Within settings you're going to scroll down until you see control center. Go ahead and tap on that. Within control center you're going to tap on customize controls. Within customize controls you're going to scroll down until you see screen recording. Now on the left side of screen recording you should see this green plus button. You're going to go ahead and tap on that, and now that should be added in your control center so that when you swipe up from the bottom of your screen you should see the record button. So now go ahead and exit settings by tapping on the home button. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you should now see the record button. If you tap on the record button you'll see a countdown timer, 3, 2, 1, and then it starts recording your screen. Additionally, you will have this red bar up above, and when you want to stop recording you just tap on that red bar and then you tap on stop, and that'll stop and save the recording into your photos. Now if you wanted to screen record with some sound from your microphone, you're going to go ahead and hold on that record button and you should get this menu right here. And if you go ahead and tap on the microphone button right here on the bottom, it should highlight in red and the microphone will be on. So if you go ahead and click on start recording, it'll now record using your microphone as well, so you'll be able to narrate your screen capture. One more thing, if you wanted to transfer that saved video capture file from your iPhone to your PC, I do have a tutorial for that. I'll post a card above as well. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, then please do leave a like. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.